I didn't even see you sitting there. My goodness. I gotta pay attention more. Maybe it's just my old age. I don't know. Anyway, thank you so much for checking out the site. I'm so glad you've been here. Just a couple things that I would really appreciate. Number one, I would really appreciate a sub, at least a sub. Just click. That's all you need to do. Just click. Why? Because that's going to get the channel promoted and it's going to expand. I mean, I would love to be able to get, honestly, I would love to be able to get the channel to a point where I could begin to monetize. Again, because all of that money goes to the donation into Child Fund Korea, which leads me to the next point. Don't forget to check out the Child Fund website and the merch store, which I will also leave a link down there below. That's bonfire.com. T-shirts, male and female t-shirts, crew neck sweatshirts, unisex. We have echo bags, and we also have the glorious, wonderful 16 ounce Korea Overlander mug. Absolutely. You know you want to have something like that, pour your coffee in there every morning. Oh, it just tastes better with a mug. It just tastes better. It does. Viably different, viably better. Anyway, thanks for coming around. Sub, hit the bell for your weekly notifications. Sunday, 4 p.m., KST coming your way. Look forward to seeing you soon. Remember, as always, live life well. Peace.